How's it going, everybody? We've got a new commercial rolling out this week for our consulting service. As you probably know, if you watch this channel, we consult regularly with homeowners nationwide on a range of home-related and construction issues. Lately, a lot of our consultations have actually been with real estate investors. We've actually found this is a really good partnership. Investors tend to buy multiple houses, often more than one at a time. They need a lot of construction advice. So we've been providing that for clients all over the country in more of an ongoing fashion. It's gotten so popular that we're actually promoting it these days, and I went ahead and made a commercial for it. This is basically a YouTube pre-roll ad, just like the ones that you see before my videos. It's a great way to market straight to people's particular interests, so we thought we'd give it a shot. But, of course, I've also got my own channel, so we thought we'd show it here as well, just to get the ball rolling on it. So that's coming up in just a second. And I'll also mention that I have to get knee surgery this week. I've got some bone damage and some cartilage damage down there from years of construction. I finally just have to get it cleaned up. It won't put me out of commission for too long though, so I should be right back next week with more content. I might be on crutches for just a little while. It's a pretty mild surgery overall though. Anyways, that said, here's the new commercial for our consulting service. Let us know what you think about it. Feel free to share it with anybody that you think might be interested. And remember that you just might see it out there in YouTube video land somewhere. I hope you're all staying safe and happy in what we have left of 2020. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, real estate investors. Where do you turn for construction advice about the properties that you buy? Home inspection reports don't explain much, and you can't trust the contractors you hire to give you an unbiased opinion. That's where we come in, Honest Carpenter Consulting. We're a team of former contractors who now supply advice for real estate investors and homeowners. Most people investing in houses don't have construction experience, and they have nowhere to turn for pro-level advice about contracting in houses. Honest Carpenter Consulting is like having a phone-a-friend contractor just waiting there to answer your most complex questions. And better yet, you can use it anytime. Are you just now looking at a property and can't tell what's really going on with the inspection report? Book with us. We can help break down what's serious and what's minor. Are you facing extensive remodels and don't know where to begin or how to proceed? Book with us. We can advise on every step of the process in detail. Are you already in a contracting situation and you're suddenly nervous about how it's going? Book with us. We can look at it from an unbiased outside perspective. We can appraise the situation and offer advice moving forward. Our former contractors have decades of knowledge and experience that you can tap into. And this service is not expensive. Just $90 will secure you an hour of consulting time. You may have hundreds of thousands of dollars on the line when you're investing in houses. What you need is pro-level advice from a construction expert. Let our former contractors be that source of advice. We're impartial and we only want what's best for you. Booking is super easy. Just hop on our website at thehonestcarpenter.com. We can work around your schedule and we can start working with you right away. So don't fly blind. Get the information you need when you need it at thehonestcarpenter.com. We look forward to hearing from you.